we have got something amazing to show you guys. Hey everyone, Justin Fraser here from DeRosa Group. I'm here with my asset manager, Smiley, and we have got something amazing to show you guys because we have taken something that was an old, dingy, fly-filled bathroom that had leaks and a mess.
And a smell.
Oh, that's real nice.
Good thing we don't have smell-o-vision here. But listen, we took something in one of our properties. We had this old bathroom. The plumbing was a mess. The flooring was a mess. We're going to have to renovate the entire bathroom. And what did you say to me? You said, let's not make it another bathroom.
No, we don't need another bathroom. We need something that the residents actually want and are going to use.
That's right. So here we are. We are just unveiling now a brand new pet spa at our property. Let's go on in. Let's show them. I'm going to walk backwards here. Come on for the grand reveal. Dun, 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 dun. So, Tara, let's give a little tour here. What's happening in here? What do we have going on?
So we've got stainless steel bathtub. And for our little shorty dogs out there, there is a stairwell, right? It's something that our residents can attach their dogs, secure their dogs so we don't have any runaway dogs that are, slip hazards, all that good stuff. And they can bathe their dog right here, right? Step 2 is the drying station. Okay, so you've got commercial level, groomer level blower here, a table that can be raised and adjusted for our owners and their pets. And the added benefit is that when we created this room, we did it with a fairly high tile surround. So, granted, Justin and I, we are both really tall people. And so you can see that the tile surround is right at about a 5'8".
6 foot.
Sure, 6 foot. But it helps us maintain, just some kind of construction integrity. And here we're not getting soaking wet walls. We've got, commercial level vinyl on the floor with a drain that I'm standing right on top of.
Pro tip, don't forget the drain.
Don't forget this drain. Also, don't forget to clean this drain on a regular.
That's right.
Because dog hair, right?
That's right.
And then when we were talking with our residents about, because we polled our residents here, said, what is it that you want? What do you want to see? Because there's no point in us creating amenity if they're not going to use it. And we're pet spa, or we're pet friendly, so we put our money where our mouth is. They wanted a pet spa? Well, guess what? We delivered a pet spa. And to make it even easier, we've got pet shampoo and or conditioner for our sensitive skins. And some pet towels. So, if somebody comes here and they brought their dog but they forgot everything else, don't worry, we got you covered. And so that's our new amenity. And it's awesome.
Doggy treats, of course.
Oh yes, of course.
Or
And the
those
treats.
for me. I don't know. So listen, a few things that Tara just said. One, we polled our residents. We didn't just decide, let's rip out a bathroom and put a pet spa in. This costs a bit of money, right? We polled them. We are a pet-friendly community. We have a dog park outside. Most properties you see probably have a dog park or a fenced-in area. This is one step further. We turned this space that was going to cost us almost the same probably to renovate back as a bathroom and turn it into a functional amenity that the residents will use and love. And they all overwhelmingly said they would use a pet spa. So here we are a few months later with the pet spa, something that they get to use every day. So we're really excited. This is the grand opening today, so we can't wait to get some folks in here using it.
Depending on your setup and depending on how your residents use it, you can also make this a revenue generator. So depending on your property, because you have amenities like this that the residents have said, hey, we want this, you can then charge potentially an amenity fee. You can monetize the shampoo and the conditioner and all the little extras that you provide. You can say, hey, we're going to charge you $5 for this towel, but if you return it to us, then it's free, or it's a nominal fee, because the staff here, they have access to laundry facilities, so we can crank that for them. It's whatever makes your residents' lives easier, that adds value to them, turns around and becomes a revenue and value add for you as an owner.
Absolutely. We love this. It follows through on our mission of transforming lives through real estate. Even our four-legged friends, we want to transform their lives as well, give them a great spot to take a bath. So we're really proud of this. It's another example of a great amenity at one of our properties, and cannot wait to get people in here using this amenity.
If you like this video, here's a few more you might like too. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this video.